Hi friends, it's Filo. I'm back with another stationery unboxing and another international giveaway. Stationery Pal kindly sent me this huge box full of stationery. As always, it smells awesome and I love the heart-shaped pink bubble wrap. Let's start with the treasure hunt for freebies. They always put a bunch of cute freebies that I often share with my nieces. I will link everything down in the description. They're having a huge spring sale now, and besides, you can use my discount code Filo. And now let's see what I ordered. I tend to use a lot of neutral colors, mainly in my bullet journal and my reading journal. But I also like to complete my collections, and that's the case, for example, with these stickers, because I know they already match the other items in the collection as well as my style. I've seen these sticky notes palettes everywhere and wanted to try them for my headers. They're very thin, you can detach them and stick them. I unsurprisingly also ordered them in yellow, but that's a kind of neutral yellow and I really love it. Then those stickers with a neutral color palette and every kind of shape, even those tabs and circles. As you know, in my reading journal I don't doodle and I use a lot of papers and stickers, so I ordered a bunch of papers. For each design you have the opaque and the transparent version, and they're all foiled. If you've seen my February reading journal, you know that those papers can really give your spreads a whole atmosphere. Oh, I love those little pattern papers. I wish they also had them in a bigger size, but for now I plan on using those as a background for my books' thumbnails in my reading journal. I also ordered this more spring-like version. I like that there's some variation in the patterns and they're not all the same as the other color combo. And I feel like those would be perfect for a picnic theme or even summer. Then I ordered these more basic grid sticky notes that I can use everywhere. I think I almost got the whole collection of these sticker boxes. You can see the rest of the collection in my last unboxings. I will link them down below in the description. This collection has a bunch of plants and animals with beige tones. And if you've watched my March plan with me in my bullet journal, you know they're a bit transparent and they look awesome on a textured background paper. Each box also comes with bigger pieces of paper, both opaque and transparent, and you can use them in your covers, as I did, for example, in my March Cozy Coffee theme. Then we have this jungle green stack of papers. As you can imagine, I ordered them for the more neutral greens. I'm not a huge fan of this first very vivid green, but I love all the others. They come in a variety of very nice textures. These stickers scream spring, but in a very delicate way, with hearts, soft pinks and laces. Apparently I'm in a space themed stationery hoarding phase, so bear with me. There must be something with these foiled washi tapes that apparently I can't resist. A quick restock on my more basic plain washi tapes. And this foiled collection that's not even space themed, but I love it. A quick restock on my favorite beige and brown grid patterns. I also ordered it in purple tones. They're not exactly the same and they're stunning. They also sent me this basic plain and pattern combo. Those will look great with the jungle papers. More basic plain and grid tapes. And a new stencil. I'll use this one in my reading journal, of course. I'll finally have stars. You know I love stamps, saving time and spicing up my weeklies. So I can't wait to use these starting April. And completing my plant stamp collection. And look at these tiny bottles, perfect for a potion theme. I haven't done one yet, but now I want to. And transparent travel themed stamps with months and numbers. Let's jump into the bookish stuff with my new favorite. Oh! Look at her, and look at me casually reading 100 Years of Solitude. Quick necessary restock on those annotating tabs in neutral colors. They just make you want to annotate your books. I love writing with fountain pens. It gets me nostalgic, and I love how you shape the nib to your own writing with the use. Tweezers are definitely not a must-have, but they are so helpful with stickers. And a nice cable organizer for my desk. Finally, I ordered 2 bags. This first one, yellow in corduroy. Don't thank me for that awesome modeling. And finally, this black bag. I'm also apparently in a black phase, but that's okay because black goes with everything. And that's the last modeling clip, I swear. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to participate in the international giveaway to win a mystery set. Make sure you read the rules. And don't forget to use my discount code Filo. I'll see you soon with another video, and until then, enjoy planning!